Good morning, everyone. Assalamu alaikum. Right, please watch the entirety of this video. I'm going to keep it under 2 minutes to keep it short and sweet, just to highlight and outline what we need to do. So, task one is the usual Quranic memorization. So, if you've not already memorized your 3 new verses, then you've got a chance now over the next 10 minutes to memorize 3 new ayahs or verses from the surah you're currently on. Send that to me on Teams or via email, and then I'll give you some feedback pertaining to that. Then task 2 is opening up this link and going to Surah Al-Hujurat. And what we're going to do is we're going to recite the first 4 verses of the surah. Remember, listen to the feedback that I've given. Take on board the feedback that I've given to try and make improvements. Now, what I've also done is I've recorded the first 4 verses of Surah Al-Hujurat on a YouTube link. So you will see that there's a YouTube link as well. Listen to that to see how you can make improvements against that as well. Again, send that to me with feedback to follow. Then we should be finishing our tasks up. So task 3 should be pretty much finished. The human circulatory system, that should be done. If it's not, then here are the links still. You know, I'm not saying you have to listen, you have to look at all links and go through them all, but if you've got enough information, then that will be the key thing here. You should have finished the connection to Islam and science in relation to this project. You can also go to sunnah.com or Quran.com to go and get more evidences, but here are the 5 possible evidences. You could use all 4 or all 5 or 2 of them or 3 of them or 1 of them. Now this is what we need to finish today. We're on task 5. We're either doing a PowerPoint, video, newspaper, magazine article, interview or poster. Again, refer to the rubric as to what I'm after to see how your work's going to be assessed. And our next lesson is going to be on Teams call. What you're going to have to do is make sure that your PowerPoint or your presentation or whatever else it is ready to be presented, because you're going to have to present that on Teams to the rest of the class whilst we all watch and listen. Hopefully that all makes sense, and good luck with today.